Hello, I just come up with a genius idea. A heated cheese wire. I don't know if this exists. Okay, it looks like a cheap thing I can get off Amazon. Nichrome wire. After I finished my research, I got to designing it in Fusion. Um, it's a bit smaller than I expected because I got a bit confused of how large the dimensions were, and then I immediately sent it to the printer.
Okay, so I don't actually own any Nichrome wire. I'll work with what I've got. I've got an old coil that I could try and use for wire. It's quite thick though. I need something much thinner. I found the perfect wire. For my purposes, this is probably long enough. So I'll cut it. Hopefully that works, because I do not want to do any more. Okay, I'll put it on 1.5 volts. Hopefully that's enough. Also, by the way, don't try this at home. You don't want to break your power supply or burn anything. So just don't. I'm going to get all the plastic away from it because I don't know how hot it is. Okay, what if it's got a little more current? 7 amps.
Okay, I proceeded to spend the next 10 minutes trying to get it to melt a piece of foam. It kept on failing, so I'm just going to assemble the whole thing and hope it works.
Okay, so now I know this works. Let's try actually using it.
After once again spending 10 minutes failing at doing something, here is a recording of me trying to thread the wire into a hole that was too small.
So now that side's completely done. This side's completely done, and I'm heating up the hot glue gun so I can put some hot glue here. And yes, I am aware that if I'm successful enough, the hot glue will melt. And so I probably should have found another material. Anyway, there we go. I'll need a new piece of foam now. Oops, I just pulled the hot glue out. I pulled it out the hot glue. It wasn't quite ready. A crocodile clip appears to have fallen off. Okay, we're going. Wow. It actually works. Behold, I've acquired a piece of cheese. Okay, so... Oh, come on, all the crocodile clips disconnected. No idea if it's food safe. Presumably the heat will sterilise it. Okay, so I don't actually have enough hands for this. So what I will do is I'll heat it up and then pass the cheese through the wire. Okay, it's heating up. Wait, I've got a loose wire. It's actually heating up this time. Okay. Wow, look! It's melting right through. Okay, this time I found somebody to help me test it with me, so we can use it properly. Heating it up. And it goes straight through it. Well, the cheese snapped, but even so... Let's see. Can I... Well, the cheese keeps on snapping, but when it doesn't snap, I can confirm that the wire was unplugged. When I've remembered to plug it in... Wait. It goes straight through. I guess you need to saw a bit though, because... There we go. Heated cheese wire.
Okay, in conclusion, that works significantly better than I thought it would. I'm surprised it worked anywhere near as well as it did. It was able to melt the foam quite easily, and the cheese was also quite good. Unfortunately, the connection wasn't too good, and you do need a bulky power supply in order for it to work. So I think if I got some nichrome wire, I could probably get it to run off batteries. Not that the batteries would be too happy about it. Well, thanks for watching.